gonna go for a night swim? What is that? Are you okay? Did you fall in? Did you fall in? So really quickly, I want to share a recipe with you. This is something that I have been making for my dogs every day around 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, after their morning meal has been fully digested. And this is just such a healthy alternative than your processed treats that you can buy in the store. Now, yes, of course, there are some good healthy treats you can buy, but they're so expensive, right? And so this is just something that I started making for my dogs, and they absolutely love it. And it's just a great way for them to get some vitamins and minerals in there. And so in this recipe, I have flaxseed, moringa, banana, a little bit of coconut water, almond butter, and a little bit of water. And I blend it all up, and they just absolutely love it. So in this recipe, I'm going to go ahead and add 2 bananas. Now this is for 3 dogs, so if you just have one, of course you want to not make so much. So I have 2 large bananas. I also have ground flaxseed that I ground myself in my coffee grinder. And this is about, I would say, 2 teaspoons. So I'm going to add that. I have some moringa, and I'm just going to do just 1 big scoop of that in there. But you can add, I also have alfalfa that sometimes I'll put in here. And now I have some coconut water to help blend. And I don't want to put too much coconut water because I'm also going to add a little bit of regular water. And their favorite, almond butter. Like, who doesn't like almond butter, right? And let's see. And I'm going to add probably about 2 tablespoons. And now I'm just going to go ahead and blend it. He knows, see, he loves this. Right, Ollie? And I forgot, I always add about a cup of blueberries in there. So I'm gonna add that. Gotta have blueberries. They're so good for the endocrine system, right? That's good. A little bit more. I know, it's so yummy. He loves this so much. It's so good. It's so good. Are you ready for your smoothie? Are you ready for your smoothie?